Hello everyone, welcome to Rajans. Are you someone who likes to wear designer jewelry? Then you are at the right place. We are here with this very beautiful designer necklace. Just look at the making of this necklace, this elephant carving, and the look is very elegant and royal. The combination of red, pearl, green is making it look very unique. This necklace is accompanied by these cute earrings. Just look at the enameling work done at the back of this necklace, the floral enameling. This is very beautiful. The necklace is made in 22 karat hallmark gold with natural certified diamond polkas. We provide lab certificate stating that this is natural certified diamond polkas with 22 karat hallmark gold. We also have premium box packaging. So if you want to buy this directly, DM us to know the prices. For more content like this, follow Raj Gems. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Gems. Today I want to show you the most designer 2-in-1 necklace. Just have a look at this beautiful designer piece. Look at the center pendant. This is Radha Krishna painting on this and all multicolor stones all around studded in the pendant. Just look at this necklace, very beautiful. This green and pearl combination of beading is very elegant. And the necklace is very designer. You can see this elephant brooches, peacock brooch, and this elephant brooch adding so much elegance to this complete necklace. Also, this necklace is beautiful designer and 2-in-1. You can detach the pendant from here and can own it from this side also. Just have a look at this handmade enameling with 2 peacocks sitting and this beautiful floral designer enameling work. The necklace is very beautiful, and if you are someone who likes to have designer pieces in your collection, then this is a must-have piece. We provide lab certificate with this stating that this is 22 karat hallmark gold with natural diamond polkas. We also provide premium box packaging. So if you want to buy this directly, DM us to know the prices. For more content like this, follow Raj Gems. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Gems. Today I want to show you this beautiful antique look 22 karat gold hallmark necklace with Navratna gemstones. Just have a look at the quality and craftsmanship of this necklace. Just look at this beading work. The complete red, green and blue combination is beautiful. The necklace look is antique, and we are very sure when you will going to wear this, you will get so many compliments, and we are providing you this at a very best manufacturing rates. If you want to buy this, you can directly DM us to know the prices. This has natural certified diamond polkas. We are also providing certificates stating that these are natural diamond certified polkas with 22 karat hallmark gold. We also provide premium box packaging. So if you want to buy this, directly DM us. For more content like this, follow Raj Gems. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Gems. So today I want to show you this very beautiful 22 karat gold hallmark necklace with natural certified diamond polkas. This necklace is very beautiful. Also, long necklaces are too much in demand. Just look at the Chandbali work at the bottom with green beads. This is very beautiful necklace, and this necklace is accompanied by these cute earrings. Also, if you want to add any choker or any other necklace to this, you can also do that. We provide lab certificate with this stating that these are natural diamond polkas with 22 karat hallmark gold. We also provide premium box packaging. If you want to buy this directly, DM us to know the prices. For more content like this, follow Raj Gems. Thank you.